Right, short one today, boys. No fancy graphics, no fancy writing. I want to talk about the old-age question, is SEO dead? And why today? Because I got a lot of people asking me, and I decided to record just this one short video to address my thoughts in it. And my thoughts are the same, right? As long as we have little boxes where people, this is a magnifying glass, right? Where people search for stuff, whether that's Google's, right? So I guess a text search engine where you find article-based stuff, whether that's YouTube, whether that includes TikTok even, right? Whether that's photos, that includes, I don't know, Instagram or Pinterest, right? Whether that's, for example, Quora, right? Or forums. As long as we have these little boxes, search engines on any platform you want, doesn't have to be an actual search engine like Google. Again, it can be Quora, can be YouTube, can be TikTok, Instagram, whatever. As long as this exists, SEO and optimizing for search, right, which is what a user does in these little boxes, SEO will never die, right? Because what SEO is not just about ranking first on Google, right? SEO is about optimizing for search engines. And Google is not the only search engine that exists, right? Now, even if Google was the only search engine, right, which it is not, right, you have a bunch of them right here, even if Google were the only one, it's still not that, right? Because people think now with ChatGPT and even not ChatGPT, but even, for example, on the new search engine interface, people are calling it, I guess I'm calling it the new AI search engines, where you just have used to have the search box here and all the results. Right now, you're gonna be able to essentially ChatGPT it and ask it questions, and you're no longer gonna need to click some of these results, right? A lot of these results will get no clicks, right, at all. For example, informational-based content, but this was happening already. For example, myself, and I guess a lot of you, when you had questions and you wanted the public's opinion, you wouldn't write question and just the question and look at the first results. You write the question and then read it after. Right? I'm guessing you're going to Reddit. Reddit, why would you type Reddit after? Because you wanted to know what people think, right? You wanted to hear different opinions, and you wanted it in like a easy to digest way, right? These little comment boxes. At least that's what I wanted, right? So just with that, just people typing Reddit, or even going on YouTube now to watch video tutorials instead of reading them on a page. That's what people are doing nowadays. They have been doing for a long time, right? But the people didn't disappear, right? The people that are now that would previously click on these results now are going to Reddit or going to YouTube, right? People are still there. People are still searching. And again, with this new AI age of search engines where they're going to give you the replies in a text manner, there's still going to be citations, right, where they link out to the source if you want to learn more, right? So now you're going to have to optimize for the AI search engines age, right? So the AI results age, you're going to have to optimize for that. The way you do it, we're all not yet certain, but of course, Google and all these search engines, if they incorporate AI in some of the responses, they're going to, of course, show the most authoritative sites in a certain niche, right? And that's created through topical authority and a bunch of other stuff. I'll leave a link in the description for what is topical authority and how can you create this authority. But yeah, SEO isn't dead. SEO isn't going to die in the coming years. And I know I'm a bit biased because I do own a marketplace for SEO. I do SEO as a living. But I don't see it going away anytime soon, because people are still going to search for stuff, whether that's with voice, whether that's with your eyes with the new Apple goggles, whatever it is, you're still going to have to search for stuff. That's, at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is are people still going to search for things, for people, for places, for whatever? The answer is yes. Even if you're, for example, on Airbnb, there are literally people that do SEO just for Airbnb. So their houses, their listings appear higher. Or even Amazon, just SEO for Amazon, which is a big or a huge search engine for just products. And my guess, and this ties in with a new project that I'm working on, is, for example, Airbnb is this niche, I guess, directory for houses, right? Amazon is this huge directory for products, right? So, for example, AppSumo is this huge directory for services or softwares, right? For example, Vetted, not a huge directory, it is my marketplace, is a huge directory or a big directory for SEO professionals, I guess, for people, right, and services. So what you're noticing here is that these are taking over, these niche down directory style websites with search engines. Every single one of these has a search engine, whether that's for houses, for products, for services, whatever it is, every single one of these platforms has a search function embedded in it. And it can be manipulated. You can do SEO for it. Now, I was going to mention what I'm building in this space, but I won't bore you with that, at least not for now. But just know I'm very bullish on these types of businesses. So yeah, that's it. I got to plug Vetted, of course, if you want to hire SEO professionals that know what they're doing, pre-vetted SEO professionals by their skills via these productized services or by their time, because you can go to their profile and book consulting calls. You can pay for their time via calls or skills via services. Just go to vetted.com. I'll leave a link for this in the description. Also as well, I'll leave a link for this. It is the tool that I've been using for my SEO. It is called Campaigns.cafe. So yeah, I just wanted to promote this other tool. It's called Campaigns.cafe. It gives you a bunch of cool data, right? You're getting keywords, backlinks, top keywords, backlinks, all that, top pages, competition. It also plugs in with the keyword rank tracker, so you can track essentially all your keywords. It's pretty cool. Quite affordable. I'll leave a link for this in the description as well if you want to try it out. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, SEO isn't dead, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.